Fourth chapter, addition of vectors, 2 plus 2 plus 4, part 1. So today we will have discuss about some concept. First one is scalar, a physical quantity. Scalar means a physical quantity which has only magnitude, that is called a scalar. That means give an example, real numbers. Okay, right. Vector, a physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Is called a vector. For example, force and velocity. Only it is which has only magnitude, it is called a scalar. Both magnitude and direction, that is called a vector. Okay, let O be a point, and P is any point, on the space, then OP is called a position vector of P. Position vector of A, OA, position vector of B, OB. So that is called OP. So O is a initial point of the vector, OP. So OP equal in the space means 3D, 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions means xi plus yj plus zk. It is a write as x comma y comma z. It is point. So OP, modulus of OP equals to mod r equals to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. It is called a position vector of P, OP. Okay, next section formula. A line segment AB. Divides the point P divides in the ratio m is to n. Then position vector of P is mb plus na by m plus n. It is called a section formula. Once again, so let a line joining the points, a line joining the points, A of A and B of B. Line joining the points A of A and B of B divides the point P in the ratio m is to n. Then position vector of P is OP is equals to m into OB plus n into OA by m plus n or mb plus na by m plus n. It is called a section formula. It is called a line P. A line joining the points A of A and B of B divides the point P in the ratio m is to n. Then position vector of P is OP equals to m into OB plus n into OA by m plus n. It is called a section formula. Okay. If OA equals to A, in the direction OA, from O to A, AB equals to B, from from A to B, direction from A to B equals to B. Then OA plus AB, OA plus AB, OA plus AB is equals to OB, equals to OB is called A, is called A. Triangle law, triangle law. So OA plus AB equals to OB, AB is equals to, this implies OB minus OA. AB vector, vector AB equals to difference between the two position vectors of B and A. AB equals to OB minus OA. Okay, BC equals to OC minus OB, OC minus OB. Okay, next MN equals to MN, MN equals to ON minus OM. It is called a triangle law. It is called a triangle law. Okay, right. Direction cosines and direction ratios. Direction cosines and direction ratios. A vector, any vector P, okay, P x comma y comma z, okay, right. Cosines, consider a vector OP equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Let alpha comma beta comma gamma angles, alpha beta gamma angles made by the vector OP, made by the vector OP with coordinate axis, with coordinate axis. Angle makes with x axis alpha, angle vector OP angle makes with y axis beta, and makes with z axis is gamma. Okay, right. So cos alpha equal to x by mod r, x by mod r, x by mod r, x by mod r. Cos beta equal to y by mod r, cos gamma equal to z by mod r. It is called a direction cosines, direction cosines. So it is denoted by L comma M comma N. Here L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. It is called a direction ratios, direction ratios. Another definition, unit vector. A vector magnitude is 1, a vector magnitude is 1 is called a unit vector, unit vector. That means mod of given vector equals to 1, mod A equals to 1, then it is called a unit vector, then it is called a unit vector. Unit vector, note, unit vector in the direction, in the direction of A is A by mod A, A by mod A, and unit vector in the opposite direction of A is minus A by mod A. Unit vector in the parallel to A, parallel to A is plus or minus A bar by mod A, plus or minus A bar by mod A. Unit vector in the direction of A by mod A. Unit vector in the opposite direction of A, minus A by mod A. Unit vector in the parallel to A, plus or minus A by mod A. Addition of vectors, part 2. Today we will discuss about some concept. One is collinear vectors, collinear vectors. collinear vectors. Collinear vectors. So if two or more vectors lies on the same line is called a collinear vectors. Two or more vectors lies on the same line is called a collinear vectors. So are parallel. Okay, collinear means, that means, so two or more vectors A, B, C. So AB, BC, AC, three vectors are collinears. Okay, three or more vectors, two or more vectors lies on the same line. Point, if A and B are collinears, then A bar equals to TB bar. This T belongs to R. A bar equal to TB bar, then T belongs to R. Okay, next, coplanar vectors. So same, if two or more vectors lie on the same plane is called a coplanar vectors. Two or more vectors lie on the same plane is called a coplanar vectors. So it is a plane, vectors A, B, C, D. So two or more vectors lies on the same plane. Okay, it is called a coplanar vectors. It is a collinears and coplanars. Then one, if A, B, C are three vectors are collinears or coplanars. This implies box ABC equal to 0. What is the box ABC? That means if A bar equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, B equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, C equal to C1I plus C2J plus C3K are coplanars. If and only if det A1, A2, A3 first row, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 equals to 0. Okay, next, third point, if A bar equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, B equals to B1I plus B2J plus B3K are collinears are parallel if and only if A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. It is a collinears or parallel. Next point, if 4 points A, B, C and D are collinears if and only if okay, box AB, AC, AD initial vectors equals to 0, AB, AC, AD equals to 0, or BA, BC, BD equals to 0, okay, or CA, CB, CD equal to 0, okay. 4 points are given are collinears. That means find the vector AB, find the vector AC, find the vector AD, initial vector, that means initial vectors. So this determinant is 0, then it is called a collinear vectors. So if A equal to 1 I plus 2j plus 3k, B equal to 3i plus j, then find unit vector in the direction of A plus B, unit vector in the direction of A plus B. So then find given vectors A equals to I plus 2j plus 3k, B equals to 3i plus j, then find A plus B. A plus B equals to A means I plus 2j plus 3k plus B means 3i plus j, okay, I plus 3i 4i plus 2j plus j 3j plus 3k, okay. Mod A plus B, find mod A plus B. A plus B means under root of x square plus y square plus z square, okay na. So coefficient of I, j, k, under root of 4 square 3 square under root of 16 plus 9 plus 9, 16 plus 9 plus 9, how much? 25, 34, okay, mod A plus B. Then unit vector. Now unit vector in the direction of A plus B is A plus B by mod A plus B, okay. So A plus B, what is the A plus B value? 4i plus 3j plus 3k by mod A plus B means root 34. Separate this one, 4 by root 34i, 3 by root 34j plus 3 by root 34k. It is a unit vector in the direction of A plus B, in the direction of A plus B. Most important 2 marks. So addition of vectors part 3. If first exercise, first problem, ABCD is a parallelogram. If L and M are midpoints of BC and CD, then find the value of AL and AM in terms of AB and AD. First question. Second question, find lambda if AM equal to lambda AD minus LM, lambda AD minus LM, okay. So solution, ABCD is a parallelogram. What is the mean of parallelogram? opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. A, B, C, D. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. So and given points L and M are midpoints of BC and CD. BC midpoint is L, DC midpoint is M. Okay, right. So it is a triangle. Okay, right. So midpoints BC and CD. Here AB is equals to CD and AD equals to BC. Okay, and midpoints. So BL equals to LC. That means BL equals to half of the BC by 2, or DM equals to half of the CD or DC. Okay. First question is AL. Find the value of AL. Okay, right. So in triangle ABL, in a triangle ABL implies triangle AL equals in triangle AL equals to AB plus BL. Okay, AB plus BL. Here AB, okay, AB plus BL. BL means half of the BC by 2. BL means BC by 2. Okay, BC, AB plus BC means BC equals to AD by 2. So AL in terms of AB plus AD. Okay, and find the next triangle. In triangle ADM. In triangle ADM. Okay, AM equals to triangle AM equals to AD plus DM. AD is okay, plus DM means half of the DC by 2, half of the DC. DCR equals to AD plus DCR equals to CD equals to AB by 2. AM in terms of AD and AB. First question is over. Next, second one is find the lambda. If AM equals to lambda AD minus LM, take the LHS. Okay, AM plus LM equals to lambda AD plus LM. Okay, find LM. Okay, find LM. So in triangle ALM. So ALM equals to AM equals to ALM. So AM equals to AL plus AM equals to AL plus LM. AM equals to AL plus LM. So LM equals to, this implies LM equals to AM minus AL. Okay, AM equals to AL plus LM by using triangle. So to simplify this one, AM, what is the value of AM? So first AM plus what is the LM? LM equals to AM minus AL equals to lambda AD. AM 2AM minus AL equals to lambda AD, right? 2 into AM equals to, from 1 implies AD plus AB by 2 minus AL equals to, what is the value of AL? AB plus AD by 2 equals to lambda AD. 2AD minus 2AB by 2 means AB minus AD by 2 equals to lambda AD. AB get cancelled. Okay, 2AD minus AD by 2 equals to lambda AD. LCM 2 2s are 4. 4 into AD minus AD by 2 equals to lambda AD. 4 lambda AD minus AD, 3AD by 2 equal to lambda AD. AD get cancelled. Lambda equal to 3 by 2. Lambda equal to 3 by 2. Lambda equal to 3 by 2. ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB equals to CD or DC. AD equals to BC. Okay, right. Given L and M are midpoints of BC and CD. L and M are midpoints of BC and CD respectively. So here AB equals to CD or DC, AD equals to BC, or BL equals to, BL means half of the BC by 2. Okay, DM equal to half of the DC or CD. Okay, right. In a triangle ABL, AL equals to, by using triangle law, AL equals to AB plus BL. What is the BL? Half of the BC by 2. What is the BC? Equals to AD. So AB plus AD by 2. AL in terms of AB and AD. Okay, second terms in triangle ADM, AM equals to AD plus DM. AD okay. What is the DM? Half of the CD by 2. AD, CD equals to AB by 2. AM in terms of AD and AB. Next, if AM equal to lambda AD minus LM, second question. So take the LHS. AM plus LM equal to lambda AD. AM okay, LM okay. So what is the, using the, in triangle ALM, so AL equals to AM equals to AL plus LM, triangle AL plus LM. By using LM equal to AM minus AL. So write AM, LM and AM minus AL equal to lambda AD. AM 2AM minus AL equal to lambda AD. So 2 into AM, AD plus AB by 2 minus AL AB plus AD by 2. Simplify the value, lambda equal to 3 by 2. In a triangle ABC, P, Q, R are midpoints of BC, CA and AB. Then express DA plus DB plus DC equals to DP plus DQ plus DR. PA plus QB plus RC equal to alpha. Find alpha. Here D is any point. So D is origin. Let D is origin. In a triangle ABC, PQR are midpoints of BC, CA, AB. So PQR midpoints of BC, CA, AB. Then position vector of P, OP means, that means DP. DP equals to DB plus DC by 2. DB plus DC by 2. And DQ equal to DA plus DC by 2. Next to DR equals to DA plus DB by 2. Now find the value of DP plus DQ plus DR equal to DP equals to DB plus DC by 2 plus DQ means DA plus DC by 2, DA plus DR DB by 2. Take the LCM. DB plus DC, DA plus DC plus DA plus DB. So 2 of DA, DB, DC by 2 get cancelled. Therefore DP plus DQ plus DR equal to DA plus DB plus DC in terms of ABC. Second one, PA plus QB plus RC equals to alpha. Find alpha. Alpha equal to PA means DA minus DP plus DB minus DQ plus DC minus DR. Okay, DA plus DB plus DC minus of DP plus DQ plus DR. So from 1 implies DA, DB, DC in terms of DP plus DQ plus DR minus DP plus DQ plus DR. Get cancel equals to 0. Alpha equals to 0. Alpha equals to 0. Vectors minus 3i plus 4j plus lambda k and mu I plus 8j plus 6k are collinear vectors. Then find lambda and mu. Find lambda and mu. Given vectors A equal to minus 3i plus 4j plus lambda k, B equals to mu I plus 8j plus 6k. Okay. Here comparing with A equals to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B equals to B1i plus B2j plus B3k are collinear if and only if A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. Here A1 equals to minus 3, A2 equals to 4, A3 equals to lambda, B1 equal to mu, B2 equal to 8, B3 equals to 6. Substitute the values. A1 minus 3 by mu, A2 4 by 8, A3 lambda by 6. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Minus 3 by mu equal to 1 by 2. This implies cross multiplication mu into 1. Mu equal to minus 3 into 2, that is equals to minus 6. Mu equal to minus 6. Okay, and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 equal to lambda by 6. Okay, right, cross multiplication. 6 equal to 2 lambda, 2 ones are 2 threes are, then lambda equal to 3. Most important 2 marks problems, collineous. Okay, right. Next, ABCD is a pentagon of ABCD is a pentagon of the sum of AB, AE, BC, DC, ED and AC is lambda AC. Find lambda, sum of the sides. So given by sum of the sides AB plus AE plus BC plus DC plus ED plus AC equals to lambda AC. Given AB vector, AB, next begin with B, BC, write as same place, plus AE, begin with E plus ED, write as same place. Okay, DC plus AC equals to lambda AC. AB plus BC, by using triangle law, B is common, same point, cancel AC. AE plus ED, E is cancel, AD plus DC plus AC equals to lambda AC. AC plus AD plus DC, D is cancel, AC plus AC equal to lambda AC. 3AC equals to lambda AC. AC cancel, lambda equals to 3. Lambda equals to 3. Most important problem. If the position vectors of ABC are 2i plus j minus k minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k and 6i minus 3j plus 13k, then find AB equal lambda AC. Find lambda given by OE, position vectors OA equal to minus 2i plus j minus k, OB equals to minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k, OC equals to 6i minus 3j plus 13k. So find AB. AB equals to OB minus OA. What is the OB? OB equals to minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k. Minus OA means minus 2i plus j minus k. Okay. Minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k plus 2i minus j plus k plus 2i minus 4i minus 2i plus 2j minus j plus j plus 2k plus k, 3k. Okay. And AC, find AC. OC minus OA, What is the OC? 6i minus 3j plus 13k minus OA minus 2i plus j minus k, right? 6i minus 3j plus 13k plus 2i minus j plus k, 8i minus 3j minus j minus 4j plus 14k, okay, plus 13k plus 13k 13 means okay, minus 13k minus 13 plus k minus 12k, take the common, minus 4 minus 2i plus j plus 3k minus 4 into that value equals to AB. So what is the form? AB equal to lambda AC. So AB equals to 4 transposing to LHS minus 1 by 4 AC. It is a form of AB equal to lambda AC. Therefore lambda equal to minus 1 by 4. Lambda equals to minus 1 by 4. Solve some problems. If OA equal to I plus j plus k, AB equals to 3i minus 2j plus k, BC equals to I plus 2j minus 2k, and CD equals 2i plus j plus 3k. Find OD. Okay, OD. Find OD. Simple. OD equals to sum of these all sides. So OA, AB, BC, CD. How it is possible? OA. OA means OA, AB, OB minus OA, OA plus BC, OC minus OB, CD, OD minus OC. So OC, OC, OB, OB, OA, OA, that is equals to OD. Okay, OD. What is the OA? I plus j plus k plus 3i minus 2j plus k, BC I plus 2j minus 2k plus CD 2i plus j plus 3k. Okay, add I plus 3i, 4i plus I, 5i, 7i, j minus 2j plus 2j get cancel, plus j plus 2j, k 2k minus 2k get cancel plus 3k. OD equals to 7i plus 2j plus 3k. This is the answer. Right. Next, ninth problem. Let A equals to 2i plus 4j minus 5k, B equal to I plus j plus k, C equals to j plus 2k. Find unit vector in the opposite direction of A plus B plus C. So find given vectors. First given vectors, A equals to 2i plus 4j minus 5k, B equals to I plus j plus k, C equals to j plus 2k. Find A plus B plus C. A 2i plus 4j minus 5k, B I plus j plus k plus C j plus 2k. 2i plus I 3i, 4j plus j 5j plus j 6j minus 5k plus k minus 4k plus 2k minus 2k. Mod A plus B plus C under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, right. Under root of 3 square plus 6 square plus 2 square, 9, 36 plus 4, root 49 equals to 7. Okay, what is the condition? Unit vector in the opposite direction of a plus b plus c is minus of a plus b plus c by mod a plus b plus c. Minus of 3i plus 6j minus 2k by 7 is the answer. Most important 2 marks, most important problem. Opposite direction of a plus b plus c is minus of a plus b plus c by mod a plus b plus c. Ade parallel to the vector plus or minus a by mod a, plus or a minus a by mod a, in the direction of a by mod a. Okay, angle formed by the vectors 3i plus 5j plus 2k, 2i minus 3j minus 5k, and minus 5i minus 2j plus 3k, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equals. Vectors are given. Vectors, given vectors. Given vectors. AB equals to 3i plus 5j plus 2k. Find mod AB. AB equals to BC equals to 2i minus 3j minus 5k. CA equals to minus 5i minus 2j plus 3k. Find mod AB, length of the sides. AB means under root of 3 square plus 5 square plus 2 square. 3 square 9 plus 25 plus 4. Square root of how much? 34, 38. Okay, mod BC under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square, 4 plus 9 plus 25 equals to root 38. Mod CA under root of 5 square plus 2 square plus 3 square under root of 25 plus 4 plus 9 equals to root 38. Therefore, mod AB equals to mod BC equals to mod CA. Therefore, triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. If alpha, comma, beta, gamma are the angles made by the vector 3i minus 6j plus 2k positive direction of coordinate axis, find cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Given vector OP equals to 3i minus 6j plus 2k. Okay, where x equals to 3, y equals to minus 6, z equals to 2. Mod OP, find mod OP, that means R. Mod R equals to under root of x square plus y square plus z square under root of x square 3 square plus 6 square plus 2 square 3 square 9 plus 36 plus 4 equals to 49, that is equals to 7. That is equals to 7. 49 equals to 7. Mod OP. So Find the value of cos alpha. Cos alpha equals to x by mod r. X by mod r. What is the value of x? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. And cos beta equals to y by mod r. What is the y? Minus 6 by 7. Okay. Cos gamma equals to z by mod r. What is the z? 2 by 7. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equals to. Okay. A, B, C are non-coplanars. Prove that points minus a plus 4b minus 3c, 3a plus 2b minus 5c, minus 3a plus 8b minus 5c, minus 3a plus 2b plus c. 4 points are given. Given points OA, position vector, minus a plus 4b minus 3c, OB 3a plus 2b minus 5c, OC minus 3a plus 8b minus 5c, OD minus 3a plus 2b minus 3a plus 2b plus c. Okay, 4 points are given. Find initial vectors. Now find AB. What is the AB? AB equals to OB minus OA. OB minus OA. What is the OB? 3A plus 2B minus 5C minus OA minus A plus 4B minus 3C. 3a plus 2b minus 5c minus into minus plus a minus 4b plus 3c. 3a plus a 4a, 2b minus 4b minus 2b minus 5c plus 3c minus 2c. AB equals to over. And AB AC. AC equals to OC minus OA. OC minus OA. What is the OC? Equals to minus 3A plus 8B minus 5C minus OA minus A plus 4B minus 3C minus 3A plus 8B minus 5C plus A minus 4B plus 3c minus 3a plus a minus 2a plus 8b minus 4b plus 4b minus 5c plus 3c minus 2c. AC is over. And AD, OD minus OA. What is the OD? Minus 3a plus 2b plus c minus OA means minus a plus 4b minus 3c minus 3a plus 2b plus c plus a minus 4b plus 3c. So minus 3a plus a minus 2a plus 2b minus 4b minus 2b plus c plus 4c. AD. Now AB, AC, AD are coplanar. Show that the coplanars if and only if determinant of 3 vectors AB, coefficients of A, B, C, 4 minus 2 minus 2, AC minus 2 4 minus 2, Next AD minus 2 4. Find the determinant. Plus minus plus. AB AC AD equals to plus 4 into column row delete 4 minus 2. Okay, 4 into column row delete 4 minus 2 minus 2 4 minus of minus plus 2 into column row delete minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 4 plus of minus 2 column row delete minus 2 4 minus 2 minus 2 4 into 4 4s are 16 minus into minus plus into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 8 minus 4. Okay, minus 2 into 4 plus 8. Okay, 4 into 12 plus 2 into minus 12 minus 2 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 12 2s are minus 24. 12 2s are minus 24. 48 minus 48 equals to 0. Therefore, box AB AC AD equals to 0. Therefore, A, B, C, D are coplanar. Collinears are coplanars. Coplanar points. Coplanars. Most important 4 marks problem. Okay. If A plus B plus C equal to alpha D and B plus C plus D equals to beta A, then show that A plus B plus C plus D equals to 0. So, given by A plus B plus C equals to alpha D, this implies A plus B plus C minus alpha D equals to 0, equation number 1, and B plus C plus D equals to beta A. Beta A transpose into LHS minus beta A plus B plus C plus D equals to 0, equation number 2. From 1 and 2, comparing the coefficients, coefficient of A minus beta, coefficient of A 1 minus beta equals to 1, this implies beta equals to minus 1, and coefficient of D minus alpha, D coefficient 1, alpha equals to minus 1. So, alpha equals to minus 1. Substitute in equation number 1. Implies A plus B plus C minus alpha means minus 1, D equals to 0. A plus B plus C plus D equals to 0. First exercise is over.